Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to roast boneless drumstick with garlic and enoki mushrooms. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: boneless drumsticks, chopped garlic, enoki mushrooms. Enoki mushrooms, wash and set aside. Sauce seasoning: 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, black pepper salt, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon shoshing wine. Line a baking paper and place enoki mushroom on top. Place boneless drumstick on enoki mushrooms. Spread garlic seasoning sauce on chicken. Wrap the chicken with baking paper. I used a sheet of baking paper to wrap my boneless drumstick to its size. Now we are ready to roast drumstick. Let's roast at 180 degrees for 20 minutes per recipe recommended. Let's check the result. Later, I baked it a little longer because I found that the thick part of the chicken was not cooked enough. Remember to adjust the baking time according to the size of your chicken leg. Cut chicken into small pieces and it's ready to be served. You can also take out the chicken legs and slice them with a knife. I was a bit lazy, haha. Delicious garlic roasted boneless drumstick is ready to be eaten. After trying this recipe, I personally think that it is easier to steam the chicken legs directly without wrapping them in baking paper, and then sprinkle them with roasted and crispy minced garlic after steaming. In addition, it is recommended that you choose chicken thighs that are not too thick for this recipe, so that it is easier to bake. Enoki mushrooms absorbed the chicken soup and had become crispy and tasty. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's vegetable recipe and share it with your family. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. The stems of enoki mushrooms contain a large amount of dietary fiber, which can absorb bile acid, lower cholesterol, and promote gastrointestinal motility. Eating them regularly has certain benefits for patients with hyperlipidemia. Enoki mushrooms has the effect of resisting fatigue and accelerating the elimination of fatigue. The active ingredients in the mycelium and seed bodies of enoki mushrooms also have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects on the human body. Enoki mushrooms has a cold nature, so people with weak spleen and stomach and weak digestive function should try not to eat it, so as not to cause indigestion symptoms. People with chronic diarrhea should also try not to eat it to avoid diarrhea symptoms. Patients with lupus erythematosus and arthritis should also eat less or not eat it to avoid aggravating the condition and hindering the treatment and recovery of the disease. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that chicken has the effects of warming the middle and replenishing qi, replenishing essence and filling marrow, benefiting the 5 internal organs, and replenishing deficiency. It can be used to regulate fatigue, epigastric pain, edema, lack of milk after childbirth, weakness and dizziness caused by spleen and stomach qi deficiency and yang deficiency. It also has a good auxiliary therapeutic effect on frequent urination, deafness, low sperm count, and cold sperm caused by insufficient kidney essence. Eating chicken during the new year is a homonym for chicken ji, which means good luck. Serving a whole chicken on the table symbolizes good fortune and luck for the whole family. Eating chicken wings symbolizes rapid advancement and soaring into the sky. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.